In this video, you will get to know about Dockers and how does it work internally. So without wasting any time, let's directly get into the video. Now what is Docker? Docker is just a piece of software which helps you run anything in an isolated environment separate from your operating system's environment. It is different from virtual machines. For those who don't know about virtual machines are basically running an operating system inside an operating system. It uses a lot less resources compared to virtual machine. But how does it work internally? It is directly inspired from Linux containers. It basically shares system resources with operating system's kernel. For those who don't know about kernel is basically a part of operating system which helps the operating system to interact with the system hardware. Docker has something called as containers, which is basically running anything inside an isolated environment separate from your computer's environment. It also has something called images, which are basically few files required to run those containers. But why do we need isolated environments? Consider a scenario if you want to share your code with your friend. If your friend has different versions of programming languages, databases, then there can be version conflicts when they try to install packages or to run the code. In that case, Docker can be helpful. It can also be helpful in production-based environments where you can auto-scale containers with the help of Kubernetes, but that's a separate topic. Do comment down if you want a separate video on Kubernetes. It also ensures that your code runs the same on local environment as well as on the production environment. And apart from this, there are a lot more advantages to Docker. Now you have understood Docker, do comment down if you want a tutorial on it. I'll be more than happy to make it. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one.